at AU with Lynelle Cameron, who is Director of Sustainability at Autodesk. And she's going to tell us about some of the things that we're seeing around sustainable design and sustainability at AU this year.
Thank you, it's great to be here. I think customers are experiencing a very different AU this year from just a year ago last year in terms of sustainable design. What we've tried to do is make sustainable design and sustainability part of the whole experience here at AU. So whether it's the cups that our customers are drinking out of, whether it's their experience in the hotels, mine is a LEED certified hotel here in Vegas, which is a great improvement, or the classes that they're attending. So we have 20 classes focusing on sustainable design this year, which is up from 4 last year. So it's really part of the entire experience here.
And as far as sustainable design technologies, are there new things this year that people are seeing?
There are new technologies this year, which is really exciting. So in addition to building information modeling and digital prototyping, which inherently enable more sustainable design decisions, we're also seeing new technology both in the architecture, engineering, construction space as well as manufacturing. So in the architecture space, we now have Green Building Studios and Ecotect, two very sophisticated energy analysis tools for architects focusing on green building. In addition, on the manufacturing side, we have something called the Sustainable Materials Assistant, which was recently launched on Labs, and it enables customers to understand the environmental impact of different material choices that they use in their design. So both great progress within just 1 year in terms of the sophistication of green design tools.
That's great. Now, speaking of green, what are some of the changes actually at AU this year about reducing energy and waste?
Yeah, so lots of progress on that front as well. Some of the changes that customers are experiencing are very visible ones, and others are less visible, and I think both are equally important. So from a visibility perspective, certainly, again, we're handing out clean canteen water bottles to eliminate the many plastic water bottles and drinking cups. We're eliminating 30,000 cups as an example. Similarly, in terms of paper, we're doing a lot of print on demand, a lot fewer paper. We're estimating 1.5 million square feet of paper is being reduced this year from past years. So a lot of very visible changes. But in addition, the changes that have happened from our vendors is significant. They've changed to compact fluorescence and LED lighting, not something our customers would notice, but a tremendous impact. Similarly, in terms of water consumption, we've reduced that a lot.
So it seems that Autodesk as a company really is focusing on sustainability overall. Why is that, Lynelle?
So we have a pretty unique role as a design software company that's selling software to many different industries, not just 1 or 2. So when you think about the global sustainability challenges that we're all facing today, many of these are simply the result of unintended consequences of past design decisions. Nobody intended to design a built environment that would pollute the air and water, consume excessive energy, etc. And so for us as a company, we have an incredible opportunity and quite frankly a responsibility to equip our customers with the very best design software so that they can make smarter, more sustainable design decisions throughout the design process.
So what's your favorite part about AU this year?
The best part of AU is always interacting with the customers, meeting with customers, and that's really a big focus this year, is to connect customers with each other. So that they can share their experiences across different disciplines and industries. So here we're at the Sustainability Lounge right now, which is a new effort this year to enable customers to come together, have conversations. We've got this great visualization wall here where customers are putting their ideas of what it's going to take to create a sustainable world in the future. So it's clearly the customers that make AU what it is.
Right, and they're clearly interested in this topic. Now, where can customers learn more?
Yeah, so we did just produce our very first sustainability report this past fall. For folks who want to learn more about it, it's autodesk.com/sustainability report, so a long word. But it talks all about our sustainability strategy, what we're doing in our own operations, as well as what our customers are doing in each of the different industries to make smarter, better, more sustainable design decisions.
That's great. Thanks for talking to us today, Lynelle.
You bet. Thank you very much.